Hi, you're welcome to Python for All. In this video, I will discuss briefly the overview of the course content. First, we'll look at basics of Python. Here we'll discuss fundamentals such as syntax, data types, operators. Then we will go straight to discuss building blocks in Python with emphasis on modules, packages, and PEP. After that, we will talk about Python data structure. Then we will go straight into control flow in Python, after which we'll discuss functions in Python. Then we will move straight to error handling and exception. After this, we will dive into object-oriented programming in Python. Then we'll move straight to discuss writing packages and publishing to PyPy. After which we will take introduction to machine learning. And finally, we will discuss advanced deep learning with PyTorch. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned and watch out for my next video on basics of Python.